Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. In today's video we are doing a fast bathroom clean, so let's grab our things and get straight to it. So to get your bathroom nice and tidy really fast, I suggest doing it at a time that's convenient. And I think doing it right before you go in to take a shower is a good idea because you're already, in your grungy clothes. You can do it really quickly and then you get all nice and sweaty and you take your shower, and you can also wash the shower while you're in there. So that's what I'm doing in this video today. I have less than, I would say about 20 minutes, maybe 30 to get everything all done. So I'm clearing it all up, kind of like decluttering or removing the things, and then I will sweep, clean, mop, and then wash the shower before I hop in. So I hope you like this video. If it's your first time here, thank you for joining us, and if you're a returning viewer, I hope you enjoy this video, and I thank you so much for supporting me. So if you're like me and you don't have a shower head that's removable or a faucet head that you can remove and move around and spray with, then just do what I'm doing here, which is making do. So I have a cup in the bathroom that I keep there for this purpose exactly, and if you have any kind of container that you don't have a use for, just use it in the washroom to spray water on the walls. It's fine, it works. All you need is to be able to wash down the walls of the bathtub or the shower. And just like that, I'm pretty much done. So I'm just gonna bring back everything that I had taken out at the beginning. For a shower. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you like this type of content generally, please do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much.